All right, you know what? We're gonna skip my intro music for today, and this is because I got like maybe 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I got 3 o'clock essentially, but I think we can get something done, and I'm excited for that. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's do this. So what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna try and extend Sparklens to right size executor memory configs. And most of the code's already there inside of Sparklens. We're just going to be extending the part where it's recommending the config settings, and it's also going to. The other thing that we're going to want to do is check the number of pores assigned. But yeah, let's do that. Yeah, okay. So let's let's do this. Right, okay. So cool. So we've got our fork of Sparklens, and it's in the Netflix Skunkworks repo. Excited for that. And what we're doing here is, you can see we've got 68 commits. Nice, almost nice. And the last two, CI is passing. Very excited for that. So we've got squash of an adding initial auto tune to stage queue analyzer, and auto tune the number of executors. These are sort of two. Actually, that should be initial auto tune for number of executors. So it's actually auto tuning the initial number of executors and the initial auto tune code. I didn't do a great job labeling that commit, but you know, it's probably not the first commit where like I could be a little bit more clear. So let's go ahead, git fetch. So git remote, git fetch NFLX skunkworks, git check out OSS main, git reset NFLX skunkworks OSS main dash dash. Okay. So now we're gonna make a new branch. It's gonna be right size executor memory. Cool. Ooh, let's get some royalty-free synthwave music going from our friend TechnoAxe. Oop. And here we go. See, this is the last thing I was really actively working on this computer. So this is the scale factor for the number of partitions. So here we go. Max execs and parallelism if they're equal. And this is the problematic coalesce detector. So the other thing that we're going to do is suggest increasing the amount of executor memory. Suggest decreasing the amount of executor memory if it looks like we are over allocated. The theory here is that the max task, let's find a good setting Spark executor. Is there a good document on this? I feel like again. So documents the options. Okay, val memory overhead factor is equal to spark dot executor dot memory overhead factor. Do we need memory overhead factor? No, we don't actually need the memory overhead factor. Okay. Note, we need to be careful with resource profiles here. Right, okay. Decompress. Here we go. So memory fraction used for execution and storage. Dot memory dot fraction. This defaults to 0.6. We're going to go ahead and go to double. So then how are we going to figure out what resource profile tasks are in? That's a great question. Resource? No. Executor ID is going to give us an executor ID. Okay. So, val ideal target memories is equal to ac.stages values map dot stage stage info parent IDs detail. Oh, okay, stage info. Okay. So let's go take a look at what's inside of our stage time span. Yeah, let's go ahead. Val of type int. Yeah. Okay. So this is going to break compilation, of course, but that's okay. So dot stage map dot map case stage time span comma what's the map of, I don't actually remember. Oh, actually wait, so that's fine. So we actually don't, yeah. Dot values dot map RPID is equal to s dot resource profile ID. Stage time span. Peak is equal to s dot task peak memory usage dot max. Target is, so then peak memory times 1.2 times 1 plus memory fraction. Set the ideal target to 20% above the max peak memory, and taking into account oh yeah, wait, okay. Okay, val target user size, this is how much we want to have for the RDDs and user objects. Yep. And then the other one that we want to do, okay. And then val target exec memory size. Oh, will I go? Okay, cool. Questions. Sorry. Why is live chat? Sorry, my chat is broken. You have any idea of a website which is no longer available but used to have all material? Not really. Yeah, I don't. I mean, it's a. I've always sort of just read a lot of code as my method of figuring stuff out, which I admit is like not great, but you know, that's yeah, yeah. Okay, I don't. Okay. Target user size divided by memory fraction. And then we're going to return RP ID target exec memory size. Okay, so that yeah. Yeah, and then group by underscore dot underscore one dot map values underscore dot underscore two dot max. I think. Okay. And then ideal target memories for each RPID target if RPID equals 0, we treat resource profile 0 the general case. Okay, yeah. Flat map. think we're going to want a flat map. Yeah. Go through the target memories and output if and only if yeah, sorry, my brain is trying to make this val static safety margin is equal to 1.2 safety margin val and change we've already got the code here to parse it. Bytes to, oh, this is the inverse of what I want. String 2 bytes. Let's go take a look at cool. Config builder. Typed bytes from string. Great. Okay. Is this public? No, of course it's private. Okay. Unit. Okay, so there we go. Not perfect, but this gives us like an interesting start here where existing memory is equal to conf.get or else. Executor dot memory. Okay, Spark executor. Spark.executor.memory. Executor.memory. Okay, bytes to, no, byte from string byte from string. Right. Spark resource profile. Let's look that up. Yeah, I don't want to read the Java doc. I want. Yeah, there we go. Oh, God damn it. Yeah, okay, here we go. Resource profile? Profile? Spark scheduler resource profile. And why is this? Is it here? Resource profile. Motherfucker. Sorry. It's got to be documented somewhere besides the fucking Java doc. Sorry. It's been a day. It's been a year. Okay. Let's see. Yasek's got something on it. There's a way to configure resource profiles. Right? I think there is. Isn't there? Can't I set resource profiles in the configure? Do I have to set them? Okay. Let's go just read resource profile. Let's go. I guess that's going to be what we're doing. Resource profile. Configure. Maybe this isn't something that we configure and it's something that's set inside of code. Maybe I'm not. Spark resource. Thought this was configurable. Alexa, stop. Okay. To do. Okay. If if target is less than existing memory minus min change, then we output and we go, actually, for each suggested spark.executor memory bytes to string target. Okay. Resource profile 0 is the case. To do make recommendations for other resource profiles, maybe. And then return suggested. Okay, cool. So that's a start, right? And this isn't gonna work, but it's like this is a solid start of what we're trying to do here. So start, or let's make sure we want to branch first. Yeah. Start working to right size executor memory default resource profile. And there we go. Push that branch upstream. CI is going to fail, but that's okay. We're going to branch, and we'll come back to another time. So, as I said, I have a 3 o'clock that I got to get to. You want to say thanks for chatting, Shiva. Thanks everyone else for joining. And yeah, gonna go ahead and mosey on. I hope you all have a lovely weekend. Bye. Stop. It's up here.